Alright, so here we have Eastern red cedar tree, and I'm using my Alaskan portable chainsaw mill. This log's about 15 inches wide, 6 feet long. I'm using a Husqvarna 372 XP with the 28-inch blade. For this size wood, the least saw you're probably gonna really want to use would be this saw, and anything bigger than this or harder wood you're gonna want to go up. But this setup is a good setup for what I'm doing, and I got everything level here. Everything's ready to go. I started to cut, and I'm gonna make a couple of 2-inch slabs. Now I'm just taking the first cut and try to make a dining room table out of this. So show you how it's done. All right. There she is. Alright, and I got a couple more logs over here. This is them before the bark's taken off. You can see the mess I made. The best way to do this, the cedar in particular, is to get a power washer, and it's the fastest and easiest way to debark this log. You're gonna want a power washer with at least the minimum of 2800 psi. I'm using a 31, and it works great. Sure, they got a Costco on sale. It's a little Subaru. So this thing works great for the job here. This is 3100. All right. So long.